down in Fredericksburg, Virginia today. My friend from Devon lives here. I've come down to visit him. Been really ill with COVID the last few days, feeling a little bit better. The best place for me to be right now is out in nature, away from everyone else. So I'm just fishing the Rappahannock River. Great little spot for swimming in the summer. Loads of different types of fish here. Not sure on the conditions though, as it's been raining pretty heavy the last few days, so just gonna have to see how it looks. Ooh, bass. Get out, get out. Oh, it's gone right under that rock. Quite happy with that still. Just thinking, I wonder why I don't ever get any bass here, and then I hit into one immediately. That? That's a new one. I don't know what that is. Maybe it looks like a chub, so I think they're called Fallfish over here. Is that a bass? No. Striper. That's probably the shortest fight of any fish I've ever landed. Just fishing this little park lake near the hotel. Been here a few times before without much success. Must be some fish in here, but I think it gets hammered. Fish. I thought I had a snag. Oh. That was it. Pretty quick that. Hey! Thought it was a snag. I'm pretty sure I took that on the drop. That was quick. 2 or 3 minutes into the session. Getting away from the water. Just trying to cross the river, I noticed some isolated pools on the other side on Google Earth. They look pretty good, so I'm going to head over and see what's in them. Smallmouth on the Shimushi. Bass right in front of me, just staring at me. Just gonna run this lure past him and see what he does. Let's go for it. Interesting. Two turtles there. Don't want to snag them. On top of each other. Oh, I got him! I was watching the turtles. Get away from the turtles! I was watching the turtles and he followed my lure right in. Oh, what are you doing? Get out of that shit. Just gone in all this shit. Come on, come out. Fuck that, you're not staying in there. Did you hear the drag thing then? That was great. Let's wash him off a bit.